In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Planner to manage your project. In order to do this, you first need to head over to planner.cloud.microsoft in order to access it. Do take note that you need to have a plan subscription on the actual Microsoft in order to access this planner, or you need to be under an organization that has a plan. Now, from there, just proceed to click on the sign in and then sign into your account that has a plan on your organization. From in there, you will be prompted to sign in, so make sure to sign in right here on your account. Now, here is my actual planner. So on this case, what we can do is we just need to head over right here into My Plans option. Click onto this new option right here. Then create a new plan based on what you want. For example, let's choose Project Management. Then from in there, you can see the basic board. It includes list, board, chart, and schedule views with all of these options. So it has a conceptualization of your plan's goals with systematic planning and keeping track of progress and execution. For this, click on this use template and you can name it according to your liking. I have created a board just like this and it's called YouTube Project Management. Let's proceed to open it and here is what it looks like. As you can see, it has initiating, planning, executing, as well as monitoring and closing options right here for the buckets. So in there, you can use it to actually manage your actual project by adding right here a task. We have in here initiating, or we can also have in here to-do lists as well. Enter in here the task name that you wish to use, like for example, create a PPT. Set a due date for that. Let's choose the due date and assign someone to get this task. Click on this add task option in order to add it right here. You can also view it via grid as well as via scheduling, charts, and the likes. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.